Hey everybody, Courtney here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to me. If this is your first time with me, thank you so much for clicking on my channel. I do appreciate it. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, tap subscribe, hit the bell, and I will support you back. If this is not your first time, then hey you guys, what's up? Hope you're having a wonderful day today. But I did get my Ipsy Plus finally. For some reason my boxes are late this month. It's like, what's going on? I don't know. Anyway, if you don't know about Ipsy Plus, it is it's $25 a month. You usually get about 5 full-size products. Everything's full size, and you can choose to either get Ipsy Plus and Ipsy, which will be 25 plus 10, or you can just choose to get Ipsy Plus, or you can just choose to get Ipsy by itself. It's up to you. But they've had some really great boxes, and so far right now it's my favorite subscription box. I think they're going to offer it to everybody, and I thought it was this month, but maybe it's next month. So I just keep hearing different things. So anyways, I'll put my link down there, and if you like to try it or join or whatever, maybe if you join under somebody who already has it, I don't know. It could be anybody. It doesn't have to be me. But anyways, we're going to get into this box for Ipsy for March 2000, Ipsy Plus for March 2019. So let's open her up. And everyone looks like this. It says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. And it has the blue foam. And it does come with a pamphlet. This pamphlet does say what the products are, how much the full sizes are, which these are full-size products. But one thing you can do is you can do add-ons, and there's they keep changing them for some reason. Every month's been different for me. I didn't do any add-ons last month, but this month the add-ons that I got were $3 a piece. So it wasn't too bad. I think it was pretty good. So I pretty much know what's in the box. So I'm just going to start at the beginning, and we're just gonna go with it. So the first thing I got here in my box is something that I do already own, and this is the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette, and this is what it looks like. And the retail value on this is $27. I use it a lot. So this is the palette, and it's the Mauve Obsessions, and this is it's a little 9-pan palette. And honestly, I mean, these colors are really gorgeous. I mean, they really are. The mattes are beautiful. I mean, it's definitely the beautiful Huda quality, and I love it. This is one of my favorite little mini palettes. So very gorgeous colors. They do give you little tips and stuff, and it says work a moody look by dusting the lightest shades along the brow bone and inner corners, blend the darkest shades into the crease, and add a pop of shimmer to the center of the lid with your finger. So yeah, that sounds about right on how you put on shadow. The next thing is very interesting. I do want to open it. This is a mascara, which you guys have already seen my mascara video, and as if I need any more mascaras, right? But this is from Pixi by Petra, and this is the Pixi by Petra Lash Lift 188. This is valued at $18, and it says when one mascara wand doesn't do the job, reach for a tube that houses 2. This dual chamber mascara has a larger wand for volume and finer precision wand to reach all those microscopic lashes. Together, the brushes create volume, length, and curl for an eye-opening effect that practically fakes the look of falsies. So I'm very interested in this. Like I said, this is worth $18, and I want to open this because I need to see this, and it's intriguing me. There's the packaging, Pixi by Petra. I love the lime green. And it says Lash 188. So I'm going to do this one first. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so this is basically like a round. Is it round? All right, so it's like a round, like silicone brush. And then up here you have another one. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh, it's the same thing except it's a little mini. So let's look at both of them. This is interesting. Look at that. That is crazy. You want to see that? That is very interesting. So the next thing is something I'm not so excited about, but we'll see. I'm not going to put it down. I'm not going to knock it. But this is the Benefit Cosmetics Dandelion Shy Beam Liquid Highlighter. Now, I don't like a liquid highlighter or a stick highlighter. I just talked about that in my highlighter video. I don't know if I put that one out yet. I don't remember. But it says valued at $26. It says Dandelion Shy Beam Nude Pink Matte Radiance Highlighter. It says Shimmer Down, Highlight Without Shine. Highlight Without Shine. This is 10 milliliters. 0.33 fluid ounces. It says the nail polish light brush makes easy to paint on the areas that you want to highlight, and then you just use your ring finger to blend it out. So for $26, let's try this little Benefit. Yeah, there's pictures of where to put it. So let's open it. It's very pretty packaging. It's very pretty packaging. I like the packaging. All right, let's see what this looks like. Oh, it does look like a nail polish. Alright, so I'm just going to put a little bit on my face here. That's weird. I feel like I'm putting nail polish on my face. It's so weird. It might be better with a blender. Like, all that tapping I feel would lift up my foundation. Oh, it's dry. Oh, it dries fast. Oh, it dries really fast. Oh. Ooh. Oh, that dried really fast, you guys. It dried so fast. I didn't even have time to blend it out. Let's see. Let's see if I can make it this time. So, I mean, it's definitely something that we can play with. I don't know. I don't know about that product. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that product. I don't know. It dries super fast. I can tell you that. It dries like super speed. I wish nail polish dried that fast on the freaking nails. That would be awesome. Alright, so the next thing we got is, or the next thing I got, I'm excited about this. This is the Pur Lisse, the Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. This is valued at $45. I love getting skincare in Ipsy Plus. It makes me smile. Finding the perfect daily moisturizer is no easy feat, but finding the one that keeps your skin hydrated without feeling greasy is like finding a unicorn. Oh, and prevent fine lines and wrinkles. It prevents them. Well, does it prevent new ones, or does it apply morning and night for soft, smooth, and moisturized skin? The Easy Tote Tube makes it easy to reapply on the go for those really dry days, you guys. Every day for me is a really dry day. So let's open this and have a sniff, see if it's safety sealed. Balancing moisturizer, fine line prevention, normal, dry, sensitive. So at least they listen to that part. Oh, it does have a safety seal. Yay. I love a safety seal. Alright, let's see how it smells. Ooh, it feels nice. It does. Oh, that smells good. That smells really, really clean. I like that a lot. Ooh, I'm excited to use that. Okay, the last thing that is in the Ipsy Plus, just the Ipsy Plus for March, is going to be this. This is a 5-piece Farrah brush set for eyes. This is valued at $50, and this is the Eye Perfection set. This metallic brush set looks super luxe, and the 100% vegan bristles make application a breeze. Used with cream and powder products or dampen the brush with setting spray to amp up the pigment of any eyeshadow. And these are valued at $50. So let's open them and take a look and see what they look like, because I heard that these were like there were duplicates in here. Whoever said these were duplicates doesn't know what they're talking about. But I will say this. I have a brush that is not labeled. Okay, so this brush does not have anything on it. No words, nothing. It's like they forgot to put the Farrah sign on it. See? The rest of them have Farah on them. Okay, so this is a short shading brush. That feels good. This is a number 3 mini taper blending. Oh, that's a good one. That's a really good, I like that one. This is a 205 Fly Wings. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. This would be perfect for a cut crease. That is a beautiful cut crease brush. Look at that cut. Look at that. It's really flat. Ooh, I love that. And this is a 65E large shading brush, but it's tapered. This is tapered. This is pinched off. So, ooh, that's good. And this one, I can see why people would think this is the same if they didn't see that. See the difference? This one's pinched off and this one's not. But they're like the same size. This one's a little fluffier though, but this one doesn't have anything written on it. That is so weird. Maybe that's why it's in the Ipsy bag. But yeah, they feel the same. This one's a little bit softer. I love eye brushes, you guys. You already know that. And I can't believe these are $50. That blows my mind. $50 for these? I wouldn't pay $50 for these, ever. I haven't watched anything on Ipsy Plus, you guys, as far as what other people got. So, did anybody else get these? And do you guys have one of the brushes that don't have a thing on it? Anyways, so just for the Ipsy, let me do some math really quick. Alright, so this is going to be somewhere around about $170 worth of product. Just of the 5 things that I got with the Ipsy Plus. So somewhere around 170. So that's pretty good. Okay, so I'm going to show you my add-ons now. So I got 2 brushes. One of them is this little Swiss Clam SL Miss Glam brush, and these were $3 a piece. Okay, so it is a SL Miss Glam short shader. So and it's got the bronze. Oh, I love these brushes. That's going right there. And this one, I just thought that I thought it was going to be a really big fluffy brush, but it's not. I'm not 100% sure that I want to keep this one or open it or anything. So, because this is all it is a chic blush brush. And I thought this was going to be a lot bigger than it is, but it's not. And I have so many brushes that are this size, so I may throw this in the giveaway. So I'm going to put that down for now. And then the third product I got for my add-on is this Morphe bronzer. And this is in like a deluxe sample size, I think. I'm not sure. Possibly. In the color Debutante, I think. And I got this one because the other one looked, it was like, it was called terracotta or something. And I don't do well with like terracotta colors. So here's what the packaging looks like. And I have not tried a Morphe bronzer, so I'm a little excited about this. Let's see how it looks. I hope it's not yellow on me. Or orangey. No, that's good. That's a good color. Let's get up around the forehead and see. It reminds me of the bronzer color that's in my Jar Cosmetics honeymoon palette. I keep wanting to call it Hollywood, but it's a honeymoon palette. But that's really pretty. I like that. I like that. So this is the first time I've ever had a Morphe bronzer. So, and I know they haven't had them out long. So, anyways, so this and the 2 brushes were it was $9. So that was $9 that I had added on. So that's not too bad for these brushes. And plus I have one to put in the giveaway. I'm definitely keeping this one. The Huda Mob Obsessions is going to my friend Krista. The rest of the stuff I am going to keep. So I'm pretty excited. So $170 for $25. Hey, that's pretty awesome. I think Ipsy Plus is definitely killing BoxyCharm. The regular BoxyCharm. You know, I am very, very confident in saying that at this point. On the back of it, it says March is Women's Month, and there's no better time to rediscover what a powerhouse you are, and what's more, celebrating with a box full of female-founded beauty brands. So all these brands in here are female-founded beauty brands, because it's just important to feel good as it is to look good. We're dipping into our March Glam Bag Plus in the name of self-care to pamper ourselves with everything from luxe skincare to empowering lip color. I am happy with this month's Ipsy box, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Did you guys get Ipsy Plus? Were you on the wait list? Did you get it for the first time? I haven't watched any spoilers from anybody else, because I know Ipsy is there's a lot of variations of Ipsy Plus, just like there is of the Ipsy Glam Bag. So there's not as many, but there are a lot. So if you guys got, or if we're box twins, let me know. If you did any add-ons, let me know. Let me know what you think about the add-ons. Do you think BoxyLuxe should start doing add-ons? Should they? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I do appreciate it. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, tap subscribe, hit the bell, and I will support you back. I love you guys, but I won't argue with you. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.